Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, it's Janscrazylife. So I am doing Think Outside of the Box again. I have some other videos you guys can go watch in the playlist. But what it was is Susie from Susie Q Crafts, Tina from Tina's Crafty Life, we all picked a word. So my word was ripped paper, Tina's word was orange flower, and Susie's was tag. So of course we made a tag. Be sure to check out the ladies' video. They came up with really creative ideas. So what I did was I took a tag and put some paper on it, and then I did a green kind of background with a blue kind of background, and then I took ripped paper and made because I don't know if the camera's going to pick up how dimensional it is, and kind of like made it look like a sunflower, and then I gessoed over it, and then I painted over the gesso, and that is what I came up with. Cute idea, and we have to make two because each one of the ladies will get one. Cute idea, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the ladies' videos. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way.